friends, we are from KIT College of Engineering FY students. We decide a project on environmental pollution. Introduction to environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is reaching varying proportion worldwide. Meaning of environmental pollution. It defined as the contamination of the physical and biological components of the earth or atmosphere system to reach and extend normal environmental processes and adversely affected. There are four types of environmental pollution. First is soil pollution, second is air pollution, third is solid waste, and fourth is other noise and vibration. In soil pollution, waste types are metal chips and splinters, paint, charcoal and ash. In that origin, cutting, punching, flattening, painting and forging origins. In air pollution, waste types are smoke, fumes, F compounds, SiO2, NO2, CO and metals. In that origin, welding. In soil pollution, metal pieces and chips, charcoal, ash and welding rods. In that origin, cutting and forging and welding. In others, noise and vibration. Energy use. In that origin, welding, flattening and folding. Forging welding.
So it is the news of Punjab to prevent the pollution. Mitigation plan to combat air pollution in 9 cities of Punjab. Punjab among the first cluster of states to take a step forward to combat air pollution. As per the 5 years action plan of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, a total the nine in total nine change total 9 cities in Punjab from the pollution. The next is the effects of pollution on effects on soils, groundwater, human health, aquatic ecosystem, drinking water, agriculture products, culture resources, and forest productivity, and also runoff and illustrate rights. Then the source of pollution: lightning, fire, industry, transportation, agriculture. Yes, agriculture is one of the source of pollution. Then transport, photochemistry, chemical transformation, cloud process, vertical mixing, dispersion, etc, etc. Then the deaths due to outdoors air pollution. First, on the first number is China, 4,70,649. Then India, 1,68,601. Then Pakistan, Indonesia, Japan, South Korea, Philippines, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Nepal. The Cambodia is the last, 512. Then this is the then this is the image of plastic airbags. The toxic chemical is come from plastic bags, which mix in water, air and soil. So it hurts ecosystem of aquatic ecosystem. Don't use polythene bags. Don't use polythene bags, use clothes bags, and don't use water bottles, plastic water bottles. Use boxes and all. Then the next pick is the greenhouse effect. Some sunlight that hits the earth is reflected, some becomes heat. CO2 and other gases in the atmosphere trap heat, keeping the earth warm. So this is the greenhouse effect.
The source of air pollution. The source of air pollution: inside pollution, greenhouse effect, acid rain, ways of energy saving, factor to climate change are the factors of the in the graph are represented. The blue line is represented as a variable, red line is represented as a neutral, and green part is represented as done. The of cost of air pollution is 3.5 million people killed a year globally by outdoor air pollution, way more than previous estimates. 50% of death from the air pollution in OECD case by the road transport. US's 1.6 trillion is the value of people, place do not having their lives cut short by the dirty air. The ratio of the air pollution in China, US's 1.2 trillion and India, US's 0.4 trillion. Role of individual in prevention of pollution. Don't use the throwaway paper and plastics, plates and cups when reusable versions are available. Do not litter the roads and surrounding. Take care to put into practice what you teach. Recycle all newspaper, glass and other items accepted for the recycling in your areas. Conclusion. We can conclude that there is the difference between the theoretical and practical work done, as the scope of understanding will be much more when practical work is done, as we get one more knowledge in a situation where we have great experience doing practical work. Thank you.